The third point of importance of Tawheed, which we will see now, is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has always mentioned الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ, those who believe and do righteous deeds. Believe has always been mentioned first. I did a search in the Quran and I found 50 nataj, 50 results. 50 places in the Quran, you will find الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا first and وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ next. I'll give you an example. For example, we read the verse in the Quran, Surah Baqarah, Surah 2, verse 158. Inna Safa wal Marwata min sha'airillah. Indeed, Safa and Marwa are from the signs of Allah. Because Allah has mentioned Safa first. So we go to Safa first during Hajj, Umrah, during Sa'i. We find the Prophet ﷺ went to Safa first and he said, a hadith recorded in Musnad Ahmad with the authentic chain of narration. He said, Abdaw bima badallahu bi. I start from where Allah has started. Allah mentioned Safa first, we go to Safa first. Similarly, Allah has mentioned Alladhina amanu first. So what is the first priority? The first priority in learning, the first priority in teaching, the first priority in dawah, in everything is amanu. So Aqidah gets first priority. This is a rule we should remember, all of us.